Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Piaggio Vespa ET4. It's a 49cc genuine Piaggio Vespa. It's a newer model, but it's still all metal, so you get a lot of the newer ones that are all plastic and not so good, but this one is good and it's in beautiful condition with only 200 kilometers on the clock, so it's pretty much brand new. And we have gone on a ride on a test drive on it, so you might see a bit of muck. But front tyre is perfect, front mudguard is perfect. That's just a bit of, as you can see, pick up from the road. Again, front plastics here are absolutely mint. Then the front headlamp assembly, original mirrors. Right hand side now, little scuff here. Front alloy is good. Front, the actual footwell area is really nice here. There you have your Piaggio 50 badge. Left hand side plastics here, we have a little mark down here. Apart from that, all very good. Exhaust is in really good condition, no real signs of rusting or anything like that. Rear rack as well, so you can put a little back box on it if you need to. 2001 bike, and the rear tyre is also pretty much brand new. We'll show you underneath as well. You can fit a little helmet, bit of shopping, something like that in there. Left hand side now, all very good, no marks at all. Kickstart and electric start. Footwell area again, all really good. Little bit of a chip here in the footwell area. Apart from that, really nice condition bike. And as you can see, only 218 kilometers from you. That's really it. A little mark here then, as you can see, nothing major. It's pretty much a brand new bike with only 200 kilometers on the clock. So we'll now move from the visual to the ride-along video. Alright, we're away on the... Oopsies, that's low beam. I'm going to get the indicators right here. Away on the Piaggio Vespa 50 2001. It only has 230 kilometers on the clock. It's a pretty much brand new bike, but from 2001. Really nice sitting position, especially if you're a bit taller like me. You have that bit more extra, or a bit more room for your legs at your feet and at your knees here, especially if you're going to go full lock. Speed wise, you're going to be doing about 45 uphill like we're doing now. We're doing 45, and then downhill you're going to be looking around 60, so that's just the usual, just like any normal 50cc moped. We then have we then have a front disc brake, which is nice to see. I think I've gone over that in the visual analysis of this bike. We've just given it a service. We've taken the car back, given it a clean, because we know if it only has 230 kilometers, it must have been sitting for a bit. So just take the car back, clean it, make sure everything's alright, give it a service. What else have we done? Tyre pressures, all the normal stuff to get her up and running. We're now doing 60 kilometers an hour, as you can see. So absolutely lovely, ticking along nicely. Brakes feel good on her. Anything else? All the indicators working. The mirrors are actually very good. Handling wise it's good. The tyres are pretty much brand new. No vibration in those mirrors at all. This is an AM license motorcycle as well, and you can drive it on a car license if you have a car license dating from prior to 2006, if it was issued prior to 2006 I should say. So we'll stop here, and I'm just going to put it on the main stand here. Actually, before I get off, I'm going to show you seating position, where my legs are. So I'm 6'2", so I can put my legs down very nicely flat, easy on the ground, if I didn't have my dirty jeans on. But that's it. Only a main stand on her now, no side stand. Do have a bit of room under the seat as well. That's how she sits on the road. Iconic Vespa look off her. I will just get a picture here for the thumbnail of the video, which has been doing very well since I started doing these thumbnails. Up to about 770 or 740 odd subscribers, which is good to see. Hopefully getting to 1,000 soon enough. That's it really. This has been the Piaggio Vespa. I think it's an ET4 is the exact model. 2001. Running lovely. Only 230 kilometers, lowest kilometer Vespa in the world, or ET4 Vespa in the world, I would say. So if you're looking for a nice little 50 that's pretty much brand new, come down, have a look, see what you think, and you might go away with it. So if you liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these Piaggio Vespas, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.